Very pleasant St George's Day, and the weather fine too across Wales, Northern Ireland and Scotland, but we are in for a bit of a change. The weather nowhere near as nice through much of tomorrow. But today it is fine, it is warm. Yes, last week on Wednesday we had 27 Celsius, well above the averages. Today, well, not quite up to 27, but certainly we'll beat those average temperatures. A pretty warm 18, 19, one or two spots up to 20 Celsius. A little bit cooler if you're heading to the beach, a little bit cooler with some sea breezes, and certainly on the south coast, the wind increasing here through the rest of today, and especially across the southwest corner, turning increasingly gusty through the rest of this afternoon, Force 6 or Force 7, so maybe not the greatest of sailing weather through this afternoon. Also the cloud picking up here as well. Elsewhere, some cloud coming and going, but most places seeing good spells of sunshine. Just one or two showers brushing the far north of Scotland, and a little bit misty around some of the coasts here as well. But the pollen index has been on the up into the high category. This is tree pollen across England and Wales. You can get more information about that from the website, as you can on the sun index, which is creeping up too. The sun, of course, getting stronger and stronger. We need to make the most of today's sunshine because we are in for a change. Out in the Atlantic, the cloud is gathering, and that is a band of rain which is going to be spreading in across southwest England during this evening and overnight up into parts of South Wales, and slowly but surely through tomorrow that rain band will be edging a little bit further northwards. So some rain on the way, not reaching Manchester, I don't think, until lunchtime tomorrow. It certainly should be dry and fine at Old Trafford for the Champions League match this evening. In fact, many places staying dry tonight, turning a little bit chilly across some of the Scottish glens, maybe a touch of frost, but certainly in the southwest, as the cloud, wind and rain arrives, it will be a mild night, but certainly a wet start here, some heavy pulses of rain, even a rumble of thunder. Elsewhere, it'll start off dry, some mist patches, particularly across northeast England and eastern Scotland, but the rain will work its way up into Northern Ireland, northwest England through the Midlands, and down into parts of the southeast. But the rain patchy here, if you're lucky, you might just escape dry. It'll turn brighter from the southwest as the day goes on, but much of Scotland should stay fine and dry, particularly across the Highlands. And here in Fort William, we could get up to 17 Celsius. Elsewhere, 16 or 17, but it won't feel anything like as warm as today because of the cloud, the wind and the rain. And there's more of all those three on Friday, more weather systems piling in. Friday looks like being quite a cloudy day, with most of us seeing some rain and strong winds too, perhaps touching gale force at times out across the west. A bit brighter through the weekend, but low pressure still in charge. For most, a mixture of sunshine and blustery showers.